नमस्ते भाई और बहनों। सबसे पहले तो उन सभी लोगों को जिन्होंने इस बार निकाला है यूपीएससी 2018 की परीक्षा को, आप सबको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और हार्दिक बधाई है। जिनका नहीं भी हो पाया, आपको बिल्कुल ही अपना फोकस लूज नहीं करना चाहिए। टाइम इज़ वेरी लिमिटेड एंड यू शुड स्टार्ट introspecting at where you things went wrong and how you could improve these things in the coming attempt. For the newcomers, you should give your maximum effort to make sure that the day results come, your name is also there. So basically, the day of celebration is marked by a long journey and continuous efforts which all of us have to go through. There is no shortcut or no alternative. So उस दिन अगर आप अपने घर, अपने परिवार और खुद की खुशी चाहते हैं जिस दिन रिजल्ट निकलता है, तो उसके पीछे का जो प्रोसेस होता है उसको आपको अच्छे से फॉलो करना होता है. सो कंसिडरिंग दिस यूपीएससी और आरबीआई एग्ज़ाम, अपकमिंग एग्ज़ाम, I have uploaded my 3 months notes from January, February, March current affairs on two Facebook groups. CSE 2018 A New Approach, एक Facebook ग्रुप का ये नाम है, और दूसरे का नाम है RBI Target 2018. सो बेसिकली CSE 2018 न्यू अप्रोच एंड RBI Target 2018. उसके अलावा भी हार्ड वर्किंग ह्यूमन, हमारा जो टेलीग्राम चैनल है, उस पर भी 34 पेज के current affairs के notes are uploaded. Please try to go through them. Tomorrow we'll have a discussion session either on the Facebook page, we'll have the video, or on YouTube live video we'll have the discussion. There are at least 10 to 15 questions which will be very important, and while making the notes and while going through the current affair materials, I found them very very important, like SREST. There are many schemes which you might not be knowing, like Daman, Kalia, then PM Kisan. So there are a lot of things apart from schemes also. Satellites क्या छोड़ा गया. There are important questions of polity, simply like NIA या आपका NSA. These things, there are multiple things. Yeah, which amendment was the 10% reservation? So these have been covered. If you feel you have done it properly, you can join us tomorrow for a revision. The timings are not yet known. मुझे भी टाइमिंग्स नहीं पता, बट इट विल बी लेट आफ्टरनून, मे बी आफ्टर 3 PM और आफ्टर 2 PM. सो आप एक बार नोट्स देख लें सो दैट यू हैव अ गुड क्लैरिटी ऑफ कि क्या क्या हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. एंड इट टुक मी अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू बी again going into the preparation days, making notes, reading the first month current affairs. I had to read about 540 odd pages to make these 3 months notes, and it took me about 6 to 7 hours to understand, to take out the relevant content from prelims perspective. So you should try to understand the notes, and then once you have seen the notes, it will be easier for all of us to pick out which of them out of those notes are again more important and which are less important from exam perspective. And let us see how it goes. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We'll be back tomorrow, and let's try to nail this examination properly in this attempt only, without wasting any further attempt and any further year of our life. Also for RBI candidates, let us try to focus very much on the RBI examination. Whatever time we have, we take an early start for both the examinations. It will certainly help, and this is something which I have to convey. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.